Good evening, everyone. Wherever you are watching me from, Happy New Year in advance. Happy Christmas. My sister Dusty come again with another story. And so story not dey finish for everywhere now. Story not dey finish oh. Story not dey finish. Dusty come again with another story. Una good evening oh. Anywhere una for dey watch me. You don't know how to speak English, you na broke una who dey speak. Who wan laugh make it laugh. I don't care. They say pikin wey go school na dey speak English. Pikin wey not go school na dey speak English. Yeah. No level. You go school, you go school, I go school, you go school, I don't go school, not be the same Europe all of us do. You enter bike, I enter bike. All of us dey the same class. So if you like graduate, enter university. Me, I don't enter university, we still dey the same class. And the wetin I still carry come today, na about my business now I carry come. I carry my business issue. They will say this girl too like money. Now so I too like money. So I carry about my business issue come. First of all, una wey dey France, na wey dey Lyon, from Lyon City. Una need anything concerning food stuff. I get am. Ogbolo, better ogbolo wey dey draw. Better egusi. Egusi get egusi o. You know that egusi wey Benin people go say Ohaneke, Owahanoi, Wewale. Oh, Adafumego. Better egusi wey go cook. If you cook that egusi, your oga go enjoy am. He go know say yes. You know say na woman wey a man wey no marry a woman wey no sabi cook, you no know wetin dey miss. If you na woman wey sabi cook, na you marry. If that woman cook that my egusi for you, you no go ever eat for outside again. I get egusi, I get ogbolo, I get pepper, everything when the woman take dey eat, take dey cook for house. Get am for here. If you need them, please call me, contact me. Anywhere you dey for here, I will bring am come for you sharp sharp. As far as say money involved. If you still need fashion, I still dey sell clothes for men and for women and for children. You need them, beg. Make una not forget. Make una call me. Anywhere una dey for France, any country where you dey, na posting things. I will post them for you. As far as say money dey involved, now not be anything. Any country where you just alert me, I will send them come for you. Now for you to send me my address, send me your address, then I will post and you send me my own money for la post. That's what it be. So about business issue. You know say another new year now one year so. We need to focus and balance. You understand? As I first talk, anybody wey you know say not dey add value to your life, make you delete and comot. Sharp. You get right to delete anybody. Anybody wey you know say they give you idea for your life, you delete them because you want enter new year so. Anybody wey not they give you plan how you want to make money, How you want to take care of your family? How you want to take care of yourself? Forget people wey fair the Africa. All those one wey dey Africa, they don't dey balance. They all by the same brother sister. All those one are just needed for you. Where you wait, European, you need to balance yourself first. Balance yourself because where you dey now here, now where you dey now be your country. Now where you dey now be your house. You need to first eat first, belly full, arrange yourself, dey well. Before you go know say yes, when you don't eat, the one we eat remain, then you go dey give the one wey dey Africa. Not be the one where you say Africa people eat remain, they will come dey give you. No, who does that? As you dey yes, you need to eat better food. You need to wear better clothes. You need to do better things for yourself. Invest for the country where you dey. Let me say you go dey Europe, you go dey invest for Africa. No. What of now? You go dey invest for another country where be say na Europe na you dey. You need to invest for the country. So invest for the country where you dey. Oh, abeg, make una no forget, make una contact me. And I still get another business wey be say I still dey do for online. Online business we dey call am LRO. LRO business. Abeg. Our brothers, our sisters, una go fit join that business. You go just dey inside your room as I just dey talk am so you just dey make your money. You go dey get anything wey you dey find. I just hope if you like, if you put person, more you dey bring people, more you dey get your income. More you dey sell market for them. If you buy something of 40 euro for that place now, you sell 100 euro, not concern anybody. Now you know you want to sell your market. A month will still reach, they will still give you your own share. Now how you take sell, now so you will still take get your money. Wait till you sell, they will calculate them for you at the end of the month. They will balance you, they will pay your money. For all those things now when you sell, now you will still get your own share. You go still get your own share for inside. You go still bring people come, you go still register them. They will still dey under you. All those one will still bring people come. As you dey born, na so your money go still dey go. As you dey market, na so your money go still dey go. Abeg, my brother and my sister, na another year we wan enter so. The time wey we waste for this 2020, we no wan still go waste am for 2021. Abeg. They say Benin people dey something dey more January ukpo Adamu ukpo ya na tell me na ga ukpo agba. You understand? Abeg, make una dey serious for once. Una come join this business. This business go make una get anything wey una dey. You go still dey do another work dey join, you go still dey make money for this business. This one na just to buy. We dey sell makeup. For if we dey sell makeup, we dey sell wash, we dey sell anything weight loss, perfume, original ones. They no dey sell fake. Everything na marker. Na marker products. Anything wey you dey find, you go get am. If you wan reduce your weight, you go get am. If you want those people wey be say sugar too much for their body, we still get that product. People wey be say you no dey see your period well, the product still dey wey go make your period flush well. All those people say worm dey disturb for belle, wey be say they no fit conceive. Product dey wey be say you go fit take. No be this one no be make wetin dey go dey buy for pharmacy. E just be like form of herbal medicine wey we dey see for Nigeria. We say native medicine. Na so this one just still be. E no dey bitter for mouth. E no get infection. E no be like say some people say I dey fear to take am make e no come affect me. No, e no dey affect. If you still buy am, you fit still get right. So go give your doctor. You go still read am for you. You go still tell you say e good. You go still approve am to you. This business na cool business. More you dey sell, more you dey get your income. Even wetin you still dey buy from them, no be money you wey be the marketer. No be as you be member, no be money wey you take buy. No be person wey just branch people come take buy. No be dem go take sell for you. You go still get your own income for there. You go still get money for there. If you sell something of 1,000 naira, maybe you fit still get benefit of 500. At the end of after that 500, now you go still get for that wetin you sell. So e no dey wetin money wey they wan pay you at the end of the month. At the end of the month, now they will come calculate everything. they will constantly give you your own share. That will not be wonderful. Eh? So this time we will dey so no be the time wey be say we just sit down for inside house make we dey wait for sister money or we dey wait for brother money. No, we need to fight for ourselves. We need to do things for ourselves. We need to make money. This money make una come make am together. Make una come make this money together. Make we enjoy this money together. Make we enjoy this business together. My brother and my sister, please make una contact me. LRO business, LRO company. Na LRO na dem dey call the company name. E very interesting. If una join this business, una no go regret. People wey dey Italy na free of charge. Na just for you to buy something of 30 euro, you go just register with your code fiscale and your residence. You go carry you enter the business. People wey dey France, na just for you get your CMU, you go fit use am take register. The same thing with Jamie, na still free. Na free word na we dey. So una need to work. Una work hard. Many people dey wey be say they dey inside house, they no get wetin dem dey do. No be say they no get the opportunity to do wetin to make money. They just dey say which kind business I wan do now. Business dey, my brother. Business dey, my sister. Make una come join this business. I promise una can never regret anything make una enter this LRO business. Make una contact me. I go put una through. Na just easily just create website for you. This one no be say you go dey call customer care. No. If you just ready to register now, na for you to bring your everything wey they require. They go just register you. They will tell you say make you bring your picture. They go put your picture. They will use take create your website. Anytime if you dey create your website finish, they go package everything give you. Anytime when you want to buy something, you go dey use your PIN. Take dey enter your website by yourself. You go dey select anything you want buy by yourself. You go buy am. E just still be like the way people wey dey go dey order things for AliExpress. If you enter AliExpress now, you go select anything you want select. You put am for basket. If you want to pay, you pay. Na so this one still be. If you just enter your own website now, if you use your PIN now to enter now, you just see select wetin you select, put am for basket. Then you see if you time reach say you wan go pay am, you just see enter there, you click am, you pay. You pay. So na so e be. Make una no sleep, my brother. Make una enter business. Man dey do am, woman dey do am. E no get senior. This business no get senior. Say na you be senior. No. Everybody na equal. Everybody na one. Na 2021 we wan enter so. This 21 so abeg make we use am say achieve something. Nobody knows tomorrow. If you tell now coronavirus wey come and I no gree comot again now, we no know wetin dey. We no know. So we need to do something for ourselves. We need to do something. We no will wait make brother dey bring money come for us. We no will wait make sister dey bring money come. If sister no come back for where e go, we no go eat. If your brother no come back for work, we no go eat. No. If you dey do this business, na una wake up. If you dey do this business now, you go get wetin you dey find. You go just dey inside your bed like this. Your account go dey load. Your account e go dey load. As far as say you wey dey France, if you get your CMU, you go enter. You go fit do the business. You wey dey Italy, if you get your code fiscale, your residence, you go fit do am. Once you just enter the business now, once you enter the business, if you enter the business, they go package something come for you. You see now, may I show una the example. Na among of the product wey I dey buy, na be all this one so. Una see am. You see the name? Una see the name for here. So if una dey join this business now, you see am. dey need e dey inside dis product. Even children cream una dey see am. So anything now if una need dem go still bring perfume come for you. No be say if your customer need am you just still give am say see dis one o take make you take test am. Everything dem go just write everything put for you. It's very easy. Dis business e no mean say you must go school, no. E no mean say you must graduate before you go fit do am, no. People wey no go school go fit do am. Person wey be say you no even graduate, even know say you no even enter primary 1 sef, you go fit do am because me myself I no still go but I dey do am. So wetin I use am tell me be say e good make we still dey use our hand. If you dey work 3 work a day, e doesn't matter. Dis one don dey committee everyday say the day wey everybody go just still jam like on Sunday evening 9 o'clock wey you don do everything finish you suffer enter house, dem go send you code you enter your business. At the end of the month your account go carry load. Even though say you be man, even though say you be boy, even though say you anything wey you be, you go fit do the business. Na just for you people wey dey inside na just for you to get coding fiscal and your resident. The case if you buy anything that your resident go there go fit use am take carry something come for you for your house. A month you go still get your money. Wetin you buy for their hand you go still go sell am, you go still get your own benefit for inside. Dem no go ask you, dem go even advise you say make you dey buy make you dey go dey sell am. So you go still get your own share. A month go still reach dem go still calculate everything wey you buy for their hand. Dem go still calculate am. Dem go refund everything back for you, put interest for you. You understand me? Na so the business dey go. Sit down for inside house make brother come bring money come for you, my sister e no go work. Sit down for inside house brother make sister bring money come, no. If sister no bring money come una no go pay house rent. If your brother no bring money come una no go chop. E no go work. Una wey still get pikin, if your papa no bring money come, if your brother no bring money come make una buy pampers una no go buy. If you no bring if your sister no bring food money come, you no go buy food for your pikin. But if you dey do dis business now, all those things go still less for you. Expenses go still less for the man, e go still less for the woman. Dis one e just be like free money. E just be like okay now I carry €50 now I invest am for business. At the end of the month that €50 e give me 150. That one no be something. If I keep that €50 for inside my pocket now, that 150 wey I get extra I go get am? No. Na money dem take dey find money. Na money dem take dey find money. Abeg make una find something dey do. More no because I don see people now wey be say dem dey camp now. You dey camp you no dey work, you no dey do anything. But if you dey inside, if you dey dis business, if you dey do am, at least at all na im bad. More you dey sell, more you dey get. More you dey bring people, more you dey get. You bring person come, you go get money. You sell market, you go get money. So you go just dey inside bed, you go dey enjoy yourself, you go dey collect your money. People go dey imagine say dis person na mush, how e take dey get im money? Dem no dey see you for road work, dem no dey see you for shoro, dem no dey see you say a month you go enter shop, you go do shop, you go put for inside house. A month go reach, you go still send money go give people wey dey house. People go dey imagine how dis babe take dey live, how dis boy take dey live. Abi na central boy, abi na dis guy, abi na street work e dey do. No. Na dis business many of dem dey do. Una wey be say dem dey call say una be central, una be dis one, una dey go street work, make una prove dem wrong for dis 21. Make una come join dis business so that people go still dey know say yes, no be the name wey una dey give us no be im we be o. That shirt wey no be our own wey una dey wear us. Make una comot that shirt comot for body. That shirt wey dem dey wear una, make una comot am for body. Make una come join dis business. Make una come join dis business. Una go get wetin, una go get money. Time wey dem wait for no dey wait for person. If you set alarm put for ground, now you put your phone for silent. Then you set alarm say make 5 o'clock knack, I go wake up, my alarm go wake me. And you forget say you put your phone for silent. If 5 knack alarm go blow, you no go know because you put am for silent. The time wey you come take wake up na 7 don sharp. I be put my phone for silent for alarm. The time wey you come take know say I forget. But this business when you do am, you go dey get everything wey you need. Brother go call you, you go wan touch, you go send am. Sister go call you, once you do like this, they don receive am because you get wetin dey give you money. Sit down for inside house, e no go help you. Do this one, e no go help you. Wetin you go just help you for just focus on this business. Come join this business. This business go make you get wetin you dey find. E go make you tell, even though say the money not too big for me, I no care. Even though say I don't get 1 million a day, no. Even though say na 200 that they get a day, or 200 that they get a month, 300 that they get a month, 500 that they get a month, is enough for me. It better pass say I go dey because I don't sweat put. You just ask me and you dey talk so that's why the money take dey come. I not sweat. I not suffer put. Rain not beat me, sun not beat me. Now you have to use my mouth take talk. I tell you, you tell me. I tell you, you go to another person. Another person go to another person. A month, your account go carry loads. Now when I come join, I beg. LRO business, when I contact me, I go. If I enter my Facebook, I will see my contact for there. When I reach me from through my Facebook, anything, maybe when I go my YouTube channel, maybe when I see subscribe for me. Or more lucky. When I subscribe for more lucky, oh. God will bless you now. So now see they watch me so anywhere on a day. God will bless you now. Bye. I don't want to talk too much today.